How's it going? Another cloudy day here in Mexico. I wanted to talk to you for a second, and if you don't know who I am, my name is Mecca. Three things is what I do on this channel: show you how to increase your income so you can take back your freedom, design your ultimate lifestyle. I was able to leave my job because of Kindle publishing. Basically finding hot books, hot selling books on Amazon, and I find the topic, I give it to a ghostwriter, and then I just put it on Amazon, market it, and Amazon pays me the royalty. It's a really, really simple process, low barrier of entry, meaning you can get into it for like less than 300 bucks. And you know, a lot of my students, they're at that $1,000 a month mark within their first 90 days. But I have a course, but I don't want to talk about that right now. I wanted to talk about this, the self-publishing blueprint. A lot of people have been asking, hey, Mecca, your course, your book, what should I do? Here's what the reason I came out with this. When I started Kindle publishing back in 2016, I made that first $1,000. It was December, sorry, of 2016. I made that first $1,000. Everything changed for me. It all changed. And at that moment, I was like, I need to help as many people as I possibly can get this same type of feeling that I was getting from just the confidence and everything that kind of happened. And yeah, $1,000 is not a lot of money, but you know what, if you're watching this and maybe you're struggling or maybe you don't like your job right now or whatever the case is, $1,000, an extra $1,000 is probably going to put a little smile on your face, right? Hit me up in the comments if that's true. And so I came out with a course. I came out with my self-publishing blueprint, and now today, 2018, it is May-ish. It's the publishing course to take if you're looking at getting in self-publishing. And not everybody can afford it. And so what I did is I basically took the first version of my course, because I've added to it over the year and a bit that it's been around. But I took the first version of it and I created this book. Inside are the exact same lessons that my students were going through, I guess at this time last year. And they were paying, it was like $100 or something like that back then. And this is exactly what they did to use their you know, to scale up their business to, you know, it's their first 1,000, but many of them, I'm just going to switch hands here. Many of them scaled up past that. You know, you can follow me on Instagram or on Facebook. I'm always tweeting about their successes. But I wanted price not to be a barrier of entry for people. I just wanted people to be able to say, hey, if that guy can do it, I can do it too. Or maybe you just don't fully trust me. We don't know each other yet. Maybe you don't trust me. Maybe you don't want to give me, what's my course at? Like $297. Maybe you don't want to give me $300 right now. You don't really trust me. You just met me. Well, then here, take this. This is completely free. I've printed a limited number of copies of these. Okay. You just click on the link, first link in the description, enter your info, just ask you, cover a couple bucks for the shipping. There's an ebook version. If you want just an ebook version, you can get that. Or if you want the actual physical little booklet here, it's a cute little thing, fits in your back pocket. And you can take this, and inside it, you will learn everything you need to know to make your first $1,000. Like, you're not supposed to guarantee stuff on, you know, on the internet. It's like, but, well, students' results speak for themselves. So many people have done this. So many people have done this with this free guide. So, hey, don't give me your money. Take this if you want something to start with. If you can't get the my self-publishing blueprint course yet, just get started with this. This will be better than whatever course you're taking. If you're in K-Money Mastery, this booklet is better than that. If you're in Self-Publishing Revolution, this booklet is better than that. No one else has a relevant course out, but this is your stepping stone to a life of freedom. This right here, this little booklet, that's honestly, you're just going to pay a couple bucks for shipping and it's going to be yours, can help you leave your 9-to-5 job. Like it has helped myself, like it's helped many of my students do. So don't let price stop you from this. Kindle publishing is one of the, I don't want to say it's the easiest, but it's the most newbie-friendly way to start making some money online. So link in the description, grab this. Hey, if you want questions, Emeka at myselfpublishedblueprint.com. Hit me up. I respond to every single comment, every single email. It's me. It's not my assistants. I respond to all of them myself. Okay? Hit me up. I'd love to connect with you. I'd love to help you increase your freedom. No, I'd love to help you increase your income so you can take back your freedom. I'm not even going to edit that out. So you can design your ultimate lifestyle. Till next time, everyone, I'm Emeka. I'll speak to y'all soon.